Hello, so today we're going to be looking at this mechanism right here. So we have an enzyme and a substrate reacting to form an enzyme-substrate complex, and then that complex dissociates into the enzyme and the product. So what would be the rate for this? Well, let's start. So the second step is the slow step, so that would be the rate determining step. So that would mean that the rate is K2 times the concentration of the enzyme substrate complex. But that's not our reactants. So we want to write the rate in terms of the reactants. So we have to find a way to express the concentration of the enzyme substrate complex in terms of the enzyme and the substrate. So let's take a look at this first step right here. So we are given the rate constants for each of these reactions. So at an equilibrium, the rate forward is equal to the rate backward. So what is the rate forward? Well, we can see the rate forward would be 1 molecule of enzyme colliding with 1 molecule of substrate. So the rate forward is K1 times the concentration of the enzyme times the concentration of the substrate. Now, what about the reverse reaction? Well, the reverse reaction is just this one molecule dissociating. So it would just be K -1 times the enzyme substrate complex. And so we can express the enzyme substrate complex in terms of K1 over K -1 concentration of the enzyme and the concentration of the substrate. So now let's plug this in for the enzyme substrate concentration here. And we will see that our rate is equal to K2 times K1 over K -1 concentration of the enzyme times the concentration of the substrate. And there you go.